Today I'm going to look at adding an image using the rich text editor. And before you can add an image into the rich text editor, you have to have an image that you would like to add. So real quickly, what I'm going to do is show you how to get an image off the internet and put it into your Google Drive. Now there are many different ways to do this. I'm just going to show you one. So here I am at I've opened a new tab. I'm going to go into the Omni-bar or the address bar. Let's say I want to have a picture of a mountain. So I type in the word mountain, enter. This is what comes up. I go over here, click on images, and this gives me images. Now if I want to use something that I don't want to get in any trouble for, speaking of usage rights, I just go down to the usage rights tab and I click for one that's labeled for reuse. And so what it does, all the pictures that now show up are pictures that somebody has said, hey, I put this on the web and it's free game. So there's a nice one, picture of a mountain. So I look at it, say that's the one I want to use. I want to view the image. The image pops up. Okay, I see it, I like it. So I can right click anywhere on the image, save image as. Okay, now what that does is that gives me a folder, shows me my folders where I can enter it. I want to put it in my Google Drive so I can access it from anywhere. I'm going to go down to Pics, double click there to get that open, and to make this one easy to find, I've created this all new folder that's empty and it says mountain. It's got all those numbers. I just want it to say mountain. That'll be easy for me to find. And now it's on. So now if I go to my drive and I go into my folder called Pics and go to all new, and there's my mountain, and this saved as a JPEG file. Okay, so now I'm in my Canvas account and I'm actually in a page, got the rich text editor open, and I just want to add that image. Now I can't just call up the file. I have to put that file into Canvas first, so I need to show you how to do that. And to do that, I go over here, I've got a links tab, a files tab, but I'm going to use the images tab, and I have to upload that image into Canvas. So I click on upload a new image, and I want to choose the file. Okay, this is used to going to my Google Drive and looking in Pics, so that's where it went directly to. You might have to adjust that the first time you do it. Okay, so you would go through the steps of Google Drive, Pics, and remember I put it in that folder called all new. So now that I have that picture highlighted, I click open and upload, and it's going to take that picture and it's going to upload it right there into my rich text editor. Okay, I can also hit my backspace key and it's gone. If I need to place it somewhere else on the page, which in this case there is nowhere else because it's a blank page, but I would put my cursor where I wanted that picture to be, click on the picture in the image file over there, and there it is. Now if you'll notice here also, I can click on that image and I can size it. So that's the basics of adding an image, and I'm going to take another video here in a few moments and talk about adding an image using tables, and that's for things like if we want to have an image be a specific size, if we want to add buttons for a rich text editor page. That's a very helpful thing to know how to do, but it takes a little longer, so we'll make that a separate video.